Hello, this is Dr. San Jose and thank you for watching this video. On today's video, I'd like to talk about the first thing you need to do when starting your Valentus business. And that is, to make a list of people you know, love and trust. In fact, make a list of everyone you know. Why is that, you ask? Because just like you, people on your list want to be healthier, live longer, make more money and enjoy life. Who doesn't? And when you retire within 3 to 5 years, you don't want to be by yourself, traveling and enjoying life. I'm sure you'd want to be with your best friends and family enjoying your travels and entertainment. Never prejudge the people on your list for your Valentus business. Their needs may be stronger than yours. When I got involved in this industry, I made the mistake time and time again of not putting people on the list. People who I thought would not be good for my business or people who I thought may not be interested. Don't make the same mistake I did. Write down the names of everyone you know. There were people who I thought, no way would they be interested. They surprised me by joining. And there were many times where it wasn't the person who I personally introduced into the business, who joined and went to work, but those who they referred to me. They ended up building huge organizations earning me thousands of dollars a month. Write this down. The duds can lead us to the studs. So make a list of everyone you know, care about, trust, love and respect. Then just share the Valentus information. Don't prejudge. It's like deciding to open a restaurant business, like a Filipino restaurant. You should be telling everyone about it. You may have many friends, but some of them might not like to eat Filipino food. It doesn't matter. You still want them to know you have a Filipino restaurant because they may know someone who loves Filipino food or someone who want to try something new. So remember, do not prejudge anyone. You're not selling and you're not recruiting. All you're doing is sharing with them what you're doing. Remember, it is a numbers game. Jim Rohn used to say, we can make up in numbers what we lacked in skills. Today, you literally have millions of prospects available online to introduce Valentus. The good thing is, you never have to leave your home, spend money on them by taking them to dinner, to lunch, or to even buy them coffee. This should take the weight or pressure off of your shoulders. Even if you were so bad on recruiting and were only able to sponsor 1 out of 10 people you shared the Valentus opportunity to, you're still doing good. Don't get mad. Talk to 100 people to get 10. You never know, the 10 people may be good enough for you to retire within 3 to 5 years. So it is a numbers game. Today, my goal is to say less to more people. And the way I do that is I use third-party tools. What is a third-party tool? It's something else that does the talking or presentation for me. Maybe it's your Valentus website, a video, a conference call or webinar. Anything that does the commercial or presentation for you. Your job is just to get them to take a look at the information by themselves. And that's what I'm going to be talking about in the upcoming videos. Techniques on how to talk less and make more money. Once again, this is Dr. San Jose and thank you for watching this video. Please share this video to as many people as you know and subscribe to my video channel. Let me know what you think of the material you heard today. I would really appreciate it. Thank you and I'll see you at the top.